press conference today, Governor Steve Bullock announced the state of Montana could receive its first round of COVID-19 vaccines in just a few weeks. MTN's John Riley reports from the state capitol.
The federal government has informed Governor Bullock initial shipments of the COVID-19 vaccine could arrive in the state as early as December 15th or 16th.
Well, we don't know the exact number. We expect, or have been told, about 9,750 doses of the Pfizer vaccine. And then we'll likely be receiving several thousand more doses in subsequent weeks.
The state's first allotment will focus on vaccinating healthcare workers, of which there are more than 40,000 in the state. The Pfizer vaccine requires 2 doses that need to be administered 3 weeks apart to be fully effective. The Pfizer vaccine requires 2 doses that need to be administered 3 weeks apart to be fully effective. Bullock says realistically it will still be many months before a vaccine is widely available for the general population. The state just saw its deadliest month for the virus and stresses the importance of wearing a mask and limiting contact with people outside your home where possible.
This is the reality that we must continue to live with until there's a widely distributed vaccine. That time will come, but until then, Montanans need to stay true to our neighborly spirit of looking out for others in challenging times.
At the press conference, Bullock also laid out how all of Montana's $1.25 billion in CARES Act funding will be spent by the end of the year deadline. $833 million went to more than a dozen grant programs, with business stabilization being the highest in need. $200 million went to local governments, and $417 million went to non-grant programs like COVID testing and National Guard response. Governor Bullock also once again called on Congress to pass additional CARES Act funding, noting that Montanans and Montana businesses desperately need it. Reporting in Helena, John Riley, MTN News.
And Dr. Anthony Fauci has been on the front lines of dealing with COVID-19 since the outbreak was discovered.